We fix Apple products, primarily laptops. My business focuses on the products that other businesses and Apple don't want to fix. The first sales call that I got, they did what they usually do, which is flatter you for what you're presently doing and then try to talk about the benefits. This just went on and on and on, and eventually I said, listen, I have a friend who pays almost $2,000 a month for your advertising, and he has not gotten increased business due to Yelp. Then I get an email that says, I don't understand why you think Yelp isn't helping your friend's business. Here are his back-end stats. So because I claim to be friends with somebody, you now see fit to send me all their personal statistics so I can know how many deals they sold, I can see how many views he had, I can see how many calls to action he had. It's not information that I should be able to see. So I uploaded a video about it.
Just in case you can't see, it says, "Hey Lewis, here is the business Sonny has seen from us since he began to advertise. I am a little confused to why you think this isn't working for him. Please let me know when you can speak for a few minutes about this. Best, Erica." When you give away confidential customer information, why would I ever feel inclined to be your client?
I upload that video, and a few days later, she's fired. I had no idea that this woman was fired until I received a phone call.
I want to congratulate you. You put a little stuff on the internet last night about Yelp. You ruined a 23-year-old's life. You got her fired. You know what happens to people that are shitbags like you? Bad karma.
Bad karma.
Bad karma. God will pay you back, you piece of shit.
Call for Christmas is fine.
I thought it was a joke. That's why I said call for Christmas is fine. And that's when I decided, let me Google this phone number. And that's when I realized that that person works for a law firm called Sperber, Denenberg & Kahn PC. And I said, oh, you've got to be kidding me. Like, I really wasn't expecting Yelp stuff to go this far. So then I did a second video.
The name of that salesperson that was contacting me, I believe, was Erica Sperber. I wind up getting these calls calling me a shitbag and God is going to get you back and blah, blah, blah from members of that person's family, and they were actually calling me from their work telephone.
After that video is when I realized I had a negative review on my page. The fake review was left by somebody who said that we took their laptop, we didn't have the part to fix it, we gave it back to them in pieces, far worse than it was, and that was that. The first fishy part of this was that we have 600 parts for that specific machine. The machine that was mentioned is you literally are tripping walking through the store because I bought 600 of that part. Second thing that was fishy was that your profile says that you are in, I believe, Chicago, which is very, very far away from New York. So I looked this user up on Yelp and I see that they're friends with Erica Sperber.
This is my Yelp salesperson. This is Jordan K. This is Erica's friend. This is the person that left the bad review at my local business. So what happened here is simple. I told the Yelp salesperson I don't want to pay for advertising. I told them why I didn't want to pay for advertising. I hung up, and when they refused to stop contacting me, I posted a video about it. That person decided to tell their friends that are Yelp leaders, hey, you should leave bogus bad reviews on this guy's page. And then bogus bad reviews were left on my page. That is extortion.